Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to send test email in Brevo. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Brevo website, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Brevo? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type brevo.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Brevo. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to send test email in Brevo. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel where you have a couple of options which include home, contact, campaigns, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. So go ahead and click on campaign. Once you click on that, you see a couple of extended options, which include email, SMS, WhatsApp, web push, Facebook ads, template statistics, and settings. So go ahead and click on email. And that email is really going to open you up to the email window, which we are waiting for. So here we go. So I have all my campaigns here, okay? So all my campaigns are here. Like you see, this is a draft. I have not sent this out yet for food lovers. And this is a draft. It's something that I was working on. So let's say I want to send a test email. I'll just send this as test emails. This is exactly what I can do. So right here where I have this for food lovers campaign that I've already created, just right at the right corner, you have this three dots menu. So just go ahead and click on that three dots menu. You have more options here, which include edits, and of course you have your preview, and you have duplicate, you have send test, and you have delete. So of course right here you must have added the recipients, must have added the openers, your click cards. So once you do that, of course added the recipients, like I said, most important. So go ahead and click on this sentence option, and once you click on that sentence option, you say it's to see design. I have not created a design because this is just pretty much a draft. But let's say you have created this already and you want to send it as a test mail. So just go ahead and click on this three dots menu and click on send test, and that's just going to be it. You'll be able to send this as a test email. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.